Hello everybody, Amaya here. So today we are going to talk about how to read tape properly. So this is the tape rule. This is a 60 inches tape rule. We have others of 45 inches. We have some of 120 inches. That one is especially for people that sew kimar, niqabs and jilbabs and all that need to take a very long measurement. But I'm working with 60 inches tape rule today. So in front here is the inches, and at the back here is the cm. So if you can see clearly, you see the calibration of this tape rule. We have 1 2 3 4 and to 60. So between 1 and 2, if you can count with me, you see, okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So because we have 8 in total, this is going to be 1/8. We started from here. The next one will be 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, then 8/8. 8/8 is 1, so that one is out of it. It's just the next number that we get to. So this one, if you now want to read this 2, now this is 2 inches. This is going to be 2 1/8 inches. Then the next one will be 2/8 inches, and 2/8 inches can be further reduced to 1/4. So that's 2 1/4, which is 1/4. This is 2 3/8 inches, 3/8. This is 2 4/8 inches. 4/8 can be further reduced to 1/2, which is 2.5 inches. Then 2 5/8 inches, 2 6/8 inches. 6/8 can be further reduced to 3/4. So that's 2 3/4. Then 2 7/8 inches, then 3. That's just it. By the time you watch this video like 2 3 times, I'm sure you will get it. That's just how to read the tape rule. So now you won't be scared if your measurement gets here. You know what to do. So please watch this video and try to write it down if need be. So for the centimeter, some people use centimeter. It's only people in Africa and Nigeria that we use inches the most. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So the one in the middle is 2.5. Then we have 5 lines between 1 and 2.5, which is 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. It's very easy to read centimeter, unlike the inches. So it's just like reading your ruler. So this is 1.5, this is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, then 2. That's just it. So that is just how to read the tape rule. That's going to be all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and please look forward to my next video. I'm going to be teaching us how to take body measurements for female clothes, how to take it accurately. Thank you for watching. Bye.